What's happening with Donald Trump's White House Ballroom project? Well, the east wing of the White House was demolished last October in order to start construction on this ballroom project. President Trump even joked during St. Patrick's Day celebrations that the Taoiseach should come back in 2 years to see the final result. Construction also includes building this large military complex underneath the ballroom that would replace a bomb shelter that was built during World War II. There have been legal challenges to the project, arguments that Congress should have authorised it in the first place. As of now, construction is going ahead and it has been given the green light until a hearing in the summer. The construction project is now growing in cost and in size. Donald Trump said initially it would cost around $200 million. That has gone up to $400 million, all with private money. But after that shooting at the White House Correspondents' Dinner, Donald Trump and his allies said it's now more important than ever to boost security at the White House. That's why Senate Republicans are looking to allocate $1 billion to the project for security enhancements, upgrades and adjustments. But that would be taxpayers' money.